Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin at the root, work on one loose dread at a time to keep tension even. Once isolated, clean and dry the area so fibers grip. Thread the fine crochet hook through the dread, pulling stray hairs inward. This realigns the core. Use a small amount of holding gel where the new loop will form to help fibers stick. Make sure your tools are comfortable in hand. Steady, short motions reduce snagging and give a natural, neat finish. Now you tighten, work from root toward midshaft. You insert the hook about 1 to 2 centimeters, then pull small groups of loose hairs through the dread core. This rebuilds the lock. Once done, run the hook along the shaft with micro pulls to compact fibers evenly. If fibers resist, stop and realign rather than force. Reinforce the base by wrapping a short section with gentle tension, then secure temporarily with a small rubber or cotton band. This preserves the tension while the dread sets. Finish by palm rolling and compressing the dread to shape and even out lumps. You want it compact but not overstressed. Once done, set it with a satin scarf or bonnet overnight and avoid heavy washing for a few days so the core stabilizes. If you notice new looseness, recrochet the specific sparse pocket rather than redoing the whole lock. This is faster and gentler. Key troubleshooting tip: if hair frays or weakens, stop, trim fragiles, and reinforce gradually to prevent breakage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.